Hey everybody, Johnny MacDonald here from Royal LePage, and welcome to the Parkland, 365 Geneva Street in St. Catharines, and my new listing, Unit 606. This beautiful and neutral 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo has great easterly views. You can get the morning sun and has been taken care of beautifully by the same owner for over 20 years. You're going to love the updated kitchen, the dining area with built-in cabinetry, nice large living space with big windows to the large balcony, great place to hang out, and nicely updated bathroom, as well as 2 good-sized bedrooms, both with windows, since we're a corner unit. This building is very well run and features a party room, not in use at the moment, but will be again hopefully soon enough. Awesome gym, gazebo area, as well as a bike room. Parkland is in a great location. Central, minutes to shopping, Fairview Mall's right next door, restaurants, Lake Ontario, QEW, all the amenities that our beautiful city has to offer. If you want any more information, check it all out on gojohnnygo.ca. Better yet, give me a call. I'd love to give you a personal tour of this property myself. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.
Get a house from him because he's my dad and he's the best.
Aw, thanks, sweetie. You're so kind to me.
Yeah, that's great, but where's my $10 you owe me?